Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
F9 director Justin Lin breaks down his liberating two-film approach to end the franchise. The Tokyo Drift filmmaker will bring the series to a close with F10 and F11. So not only did Lin direct F9, but he'll conclude the franchise with a two-film ending of Fast and Furious 10 and Fast and Furious 11.
Let's help you make your mark.
But don't expect to see a Hobbs and Shaw 2 anytime soon. Speaking with Collider's Steve Weintraub for Nobody starring Bob Odenkirk, Hobbs and Shaw producer Kelly McCormick revealed that the planned sequel is currently in a holding pattern of sorts. Everybody's really busy on that particular franchise.
Take our lead.
Vin Diesel will be leading the film, with the usual suspects being joined by high-profile newcomers like John Cena and Michael Rooker. But now we have confirmation that another much-loved actor will be back for one more go-around. Paul Walker, who'll be reprising his role as Brian O'Connor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fast and Furious 9 will have late actor Paul Walker's character, Brian O'Connor, back in the series. Fast and Furious 9 is all set to release on June 25, 2021, and fans are eagerly waiting for it worldwide.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.